Unlock a new level of document personalization by mastering role-based variable assignment in Pandadoc. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the advanced technique of assigning specific variables to different roles within your Pandadoc documents, enabling highly customized data population based on who's involved. First, ensure you have your template set up with the necessary variables. You'll find these within the template editor. The key to this advanced feature lies in associating these variables with specific roles. To begin, locate the variable you wish to assign. Click on the variable itself. You'll see an option to assign it to a role. Click on this option. A drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with the roles you've already defined for this document or template. Select the specific role that this variable should be associated with. For example, if you have a variable for client company name, you might assign it to the client role. Repeat this process for all the variables you want to customize based on roles. This allows you to ensure that the correct information is displayed or requested from the appropriate stakeholder. When a document is sent out and receives responses from users assigned to these different roles, Pandadoc will intelligently populate the variables accordingly. This means your clients will only see and interact with the fields relevant to them, and your internal team members will have their designated information pre-filled or easily accessible. This is crucial for complex documents with multiple stakeholders and varying information needs. By mastering role-based variable assignment, you optimize your document personalization and streamline your data automation. Start leveraging this powerful feature today.